Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play a 5-string major bar chord. 5-string major bar chord. And just remember to subscribe and like. Now, the 5-string major bar chord looks like this. It sounds like this. And for this example, we'll play the C major 5-string bar chord. And we'll start off on the root, which is a C. So if I go to the 3rd fret, 5th string with my index finger, I'm going to press that down, and that's going to be a C. And then what I do is I take my ring finger and I place it, or I bar it over the next 3 strings. Your 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. You bar it over. And then for the 1st string, you don't want to play. You can just kind of mute it if you want with that third finger, your ring finger. You can kind of hold it down on your 5th fret, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings, and then mute that 1st string. And this is kind of what it sounds like here. So you want to practice strumming it individually. But then you also want to practice those notes by themselves. And that form for your 5-string major bar chord, you can take that form and move it up and down the fretboard. Memorize your 5th string notes, okay? B flat, B, C, C sharp or D flat, D, E flat or D sharp, E, F, F sharp or G flat, G, A flat or G sharp, and A. And what happens is, that's just going up to the 12th fret, but if you memorize those, you'll be able to take that form and kind of move it up and down your fretboard. Hey, again, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I hope you enjoyed this instruction on how to play a 5-string major bar chord.